Hi FPV Philippines, all of the members. I wish you could come here to our racetrack. You can see maganda and morning and night flying. Welcome kayo dito anytime, any month, any year.
From General Santos City, and I'm maldito itong race na to talaga. Ito yung pinakaunang parang pang international na talaga yung racetrack na to. Nandito na yung mga lead, tapos yung mga standard gates, nandito na lahat, pati mga obstacle na hindi nyo na susubukan sa ibang racetrack.
Sobrang ganda ng racetrack natin. Tsaka salamat kay Master Ruben for the opportunity and sa lahat ng pilots na dumating.
Punta kayo dito, try to beat the track time, which is 49 seconds. And yeah, I wish you all the luck in the world to all your practices, and may God bless you all. And I wish you could come next time. We invite everybody here so that mas masaya pa yung racing natin sa Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po at keep on flying.